Friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the LC ladder in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the size here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here, Notepad that I use as a type 2 or Java programming. So let us start. So it is a LC ladder. So ELADDR, that is our class name. So E means else if. So I just give E because else if, that is a keyword, so we cannot use, but you can also use underscore, but here we can give the short name to class name. So public, yes, then static void main. So that is a, we can say that string args, and now let us check. So here we can give like first, that is a one, that is a float variable. So that is a float and percentage, and we can assign to like 74.00. Yes, and f. So otherwise why we can give the f, otherwise that considered as a double and that taking error in Java. So that is a how to print float value in Java, that also cover. But I also take one video lecture in my YouTube channel, so you can also watch. Yes, now we can start. Yes, here that is a percentage, yes, greater than equal to 70, and logical and, yes, you have to know, and percentage less than, and we can say that like 99. Yes, so that is all above 17. We can just declare S1. Yes, where is the S1? So yes, we can define one string variable. So that is that string is class in Java. So directly we can store, like in, that is not possible in C and C++, but directly here that we can use string str, string copy function in string.h header file. But here there is no required. So here directly java.language import that package by default. So we can use the string class, and here that is a first is a distinction. So yes, that is a distinction class, and yes, also I use the class. So now that is a else, and if again that condition, so percentage is greater than or equal to 60 and percentage less than 50. So that we can decide. Yes, you can define your that is a class, and also you can apply the grade like a plus a, b plus c, or that type of grade you have to know very well. So here I decide that is my condition, you can apply to your condition. So this first class, and then else if, then if percentage is greater than equal to 50 and percentage less than 40, so that we can say that s1 equal to, that is a, we can say that third or second, yes, first, that second class, and third class we cannot use directly, we can say that that is a pass class. Yes, so you can also use third class. So else if, and that percentage equal to 40 exact. So now scenario in current that professional like BCA BBA, that is a passing, or BCom, all now that is a 40% you have to pass in the graduation. So that is a, we can say that student, or just we can say that pass class. Yes, and now that is a like in switch case, default case. So here is a else part, and that we can say that student is fail. Yes, that is a, sorry, but that is a fail. Yes, and now what to do? So yes, we have to print the system, that is our package, and out, that is a string, and then print, that is our method, and that we can say that student result is, and concatenation s1. So that is a print. Let us check. And all statement terminate with semicolon. That is the same rules like in C, C++, C Sharp, and Java. So all are same rules. So now I save this file, and you have to know very well. So class name is a that is a file name in Java. So here E, that is a ladder. So that is a Java, must be provide the Java extension. Otherwise, that is a notepad txt file is saved by default. So yes, we can correct our any not spelling mistake. So ELAEER. Otherwise, taking error. Class is no found. No such class is found. Exception handling in the Java. So that is a you have to know exception handling. So yes, try catch and finally that block. So that we can also learn in my upcoming video lecture step by step. So yes, here sufficient. So we can save. And now how yes compile and run. So we can go in the command prompt those cmd. Yes, you just type that appear. I click. So that is selected. So yes, that is coming and full screen. Cd slash that is a dot dose command and f column change to drive cd change the directory java pro that is a programming and I that is a my batch file I prepare in the first my video lecture Java path. So that is a clear the screen set path that is our JDK path and set class path. So you have to not always uh, write set path or set class path. So you can prepare one batch file and run that file. So that path is set and now you can compile and run. So Java C that is a tool of JDK and that compiler Java C means C for compiler. So now let us check ELAER and dot Java extension. So yes, there is no any error. No, let us run. So Java's only that is a application launcher and we can provide as a class file name. Yes, I show you. So here dir I use the dir command. So you can look here LEDDR that is a class that JVM Java Virtual Machine that source code compile into the bytecode. So I use as a CLS clear the screen and now yes I run. So you can look here and you can also change yes that arrow. So I remove this extension and see. So it is a work perfectly and now run. So you can see that student results is a distinction class. Why? Because that percentage is 74. Yes, and no error. If I remove this F, yes, let us check. Can testing error is coming or not. I remove this F and let us I save. So let us check that error is coming. So again I compile. Yes, and you can observe here that error is coming. So found is double and require is float. So here is float, but by default in Java that is a consider as a double data type. So that how to solution? Yes, our previously you can provide as a F here must be otherwise that float value is not double. So you can here take as double. There no any error. So yes, here we can decrease student percentage. So let us check. I give the 65. Yes. So that is a change. Yes. Let us our condition is properly. So I again save and compile. Now there is no any error. And again means run. So yes, that command yes now appear. So you can look. Yes here why that student is failed. So condition is not proper means that greater than or less than yes 65 but yes that is a checking 65. So here that condition is true here false then here is coming. So student is a we can say that that is a 65. So 65 is considered here but why that yes and operator yes here that is a problem creating and logical and operator. So yes that is very important. So what is a solution? Yes, that is a better we can provide only one part because both condition greater than and less than 50 but that condition is false because 65. So previously, yes, that also we can provide, yes, perfectly, but less than, yes, here that condition is true, but here 65 is not less than 50. So that is a hurdle. So directly go in the else part and student is failed. So what is our improve our condition logic? So yes, that is a better in provide like just only that no, or you can also use like or operator logical. That is also possibility. So we can remove this part. Yes, that is also perfectly. Let us check. And second way, you can also provide the uh, logical or operator. Yes, and that only one part that is also possible. So let us check now our improve that condition. So now student is not failed because that is a 65%. So that is a first class. Now that no any error, and you can look here that student result is a first class. So you can also, yes, so many we can improve. Yes, and operator that hurdles. So what to do? So there are two solutions, that only one part, or otherwise you can provide here logical or operator. So that is a better. So now I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So very simple how to else if ladder, that is a logic in work in the Java, and how the float variable, how to apply the f, that how to you can access your float value in Java. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update, and thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.